Luke chapter 22 verse 26 describes Jesus teaching his disciples that true greatness in his kingdom is defined by serving others, not by lording power over them. In contrast to the world's leaders who seek prestige, Jesus states that the greatness among his followers should act like the youngest, and a leader should act like a servant, illustrating that humility and the selfless service are the true paths to greatness. Key points from Luke chapter 22, verse 26 serve, don't rule. Unlike the Gentile rulers who dominate others, Jesus' followers are to lead by serving. Humility is greatness. The greatest among them should behave like the least of concept symbolized by being like the youngest. Jesus' example. Jesus himself is among his disciples are one who serves, setting up a paradigm for their conduct. As leaders, we must be trainable, which means we are willing to take constructive criticism as a newcomer and understand that we are serving those we lead. We must be open-minded to the way people have a function in the past and gentle when announcing the change. God bless us with authority, and we seek to use it for the good of others with humble, teachable hearts. Um, and regarding the context with this passage, this teaching occurs after dispute among the disciples about who was the greatest. Jesus uses the analogy of a host, the one at the table, and a servant to highlight that the servant is the one performing the greater humble act. And it's explained very carefully and for us to understand uh, the context of this passage, guys. Thank you so much for listening. And there's a lot, certain amount of prayer. Therefore, when you select us for leadership positions, we will accept them with the humility instead of leading them with tyranny. We will lead with love and open mindedness in Jesus' name.